Hello children, this is your first digital English grammar class for standard 6 and we begin with the first chapter, the sentence. So let's start. The sentence. Now look at these words. The sun, the moves, earth round. To, he, market goes. We can see that these group of words do not make any sense. But if we arrange them in a definite order, they may make sense. For example, the first example, if we'll say like this, if we'll arrange these words like this, the earth moves round the sun. So this sentence makes a sensible meaning. Like this second sentence we can see, he goes to market. So we have arranged these words in a proper order so that it brings some sensible meaning. So we can say that group of words doesn't make any sense, but if they are arranged properly in a definite order, they will make a sense, and that is we conclude as a sentence. So sentence can be defined as a group of words arranged in a proper order so as to make complete sense is called a sentence. We have seen in these two examples, we can see the first letter here, it is in capital letter. That means we have to begin with the capital letter. We have to begin the letter with the capital and it will end with the full stop. You can see it ends with the full stop. Now we move on to the next part of the chapter, types of sentences. We can see there are 4 different types of sentences. First sentence is called as assertive, or otherwise we can also call it as declarative or simply statement. Second part of the sentence, second type of sentence is interrogative. Third is imperative and fourth is exclamatory. Now move on to each part. First we begin with assertive or declarative or statement. It states an idea or tells something or asserts something. It means that it declares something. This type of sentence generally declares something. For example, the girl opened the door. So it declares that girl opened the door. Second sentence, I do not like gossiping. It tells that something that I don't like. So like this, when the sentence declares something or asserts something, it's called an assertive or otherwise declarative or simply a statement. We can see there is some rule for it, that this type of sentence generally ends with the full stop. Second part of the sentence is interrogative sentence and it asks something. So it is called a question. For example, how are you? What is your hobby? So you can see the sentence ends with the interrogative mark or question mark. Third type of sentence is called imperative sentence, and they are the sentences which shows request, command or advice. For example, please open the door for me. So it's a request. Go there. It orders. Third sentence, do not touch the live wire. This sentence gives some advice. So these are the examples of the imperative sentences that commands or that gives advice or that ask for request. This type of sentence also ends with full stop. Now we move on to the next part of the sentence called as exclamatory sentence. It expresses some strong feeling about something. For example, wow, what a great fall. How gracefully she dances. So you can see that these exclamatory sentences generally end with the exclamatory sign. So let us recapitulate this chapter once again. A sentence is a group of words that conveys some meaning. It always begins with a capital letter. It usually ends with a full stop. And we have seen there are 4 kinds of sentences: assertive or declarative or statement, interrogative, imperative, and exclamatory sentences. Assertive states something or tells something or declares something. Interrogative asks something. Imperatives are command, request, and advice. And the last, exclamatory, expresses strong feeling or emotions. Now I'll give you some. This is the end of this chapter. I'll give you some of the questions for practice. Please note down the questions. Arrange the following group of words into a meaningful sentence. First one, Rome in a day was not built. Now second group of words, months, 12 are a year there in. The third group of words, wins the race slow and steady. So you have to arrange this group of words into a meaningful sentence. Now move on to the next question for practice, that is classify the kinds of sentences. You have to classify what is that, assertive, imperative, or exclamatory, or interrogative. So first question is, how beautiful the sky is. Second, what is your name? Third, I'm not interested in your business. Fourth, Sita is a good girl. Fifth, stand up. Sixth, do not ride bicycle in the busy market. And the last, what a pleasant day. I hope you enjoyed this class, and I request you all to go and revise your first chapter, the sentence, once again from your book, and practice all the exercise questions from it. Thank you.